Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Cooking and Life. So today I am feeling better compared to yesterday, Alhamdulillah. It's a fresh morning and I decided to start my day with something healthy, warm and full of nutrition. As always, I begin my morning with a glass of warm water. It really helps to refresh to the body and it's a good start for digestion. After that, I move on to prepare today's special breakfast, which is a very healthy and delicious spinach soya palak curry with mutton along with boiled eggs. So first, I took a cooker and added some oil. Once the oil was slightly hot, I added ginger garlic paste for a nice aroma and flavor. Added the mutton pieces. The mutton was stored in the refrigerator earlier, so the pieces were slightly stuck together. Next, I added some simple spices like salt, turmeric, red chili powder, and these basic spices bring out a very rich taste. Then I added a little water, mix everything nicely and close the lid of a cooker. At the same time, I also kept eggs for boiling. You can see boil them however you prefer. It's a great protein additional to this meal. After a few minutes, once the cooker released 3 to 4 whistles, I opened the lid. As you can see, the mutton is nicely cooked. Fresh chopped palak and also added soya. These two ingredients makes the dish very nutritious and healthy. Then I mixed everything well so that all the spices coated nicely with the mutton. Palak and soya, after mixing, I cooked it for a few more minutes until the water released from palak and soya completely dried up. One important tip is to cook it covered so that all the nutrition stayed inside. Avoid cooking vegetables without the lid open for too long, as it may reduce their nutrition. I also checked the salt at this stage and adjusted it as needed. Now, as you can see, our delicious soya palak mutton curry is completely ready. The mutton is soft, the palak is well cooked, and the soya has absorbed all the flavors. I served it in a bowl, and along with this, our boiled egg and also ready. For breakfast, we enjoy this healthy curry with soft roti and a little rice. I also made some black tea to complete the meal. It was a very satisfying, healthy and tasty breakfast. If you like this vlog, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Cooking and Life. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.